little Bobby for fun activity done by little Bobby. I started the unit and completed the C reading and B reading. And now today we come to the reading A. Just now I am going to show the picture. Please observe. Will you? Do you observe? Yes. Yes. All of you, please look at the picture there. Could you able to see? All of you, those who are attending the class, please look at the picture there. One picture is given for your observation. Do you observe? What do you observe? What do you see? What do you see? You see two animals. What the animals are? They are cats. There are two cats. What the cats are doing? What are the cats doing? Can you imagine? Can you think? Just think. Just think for a few seconds, few minutes. One is half standing, isn't it? One cat is half standing with a stick, and another cat is standing with a one leg, and one leg is upside. Both the hands are upside, isn't it? What they are doing? They are now ready to fight each other. These two cats are ready to fight each other.
Karate.
Think of the fighting. What the fighting may be? What the fighting may be? It is maybe a karate, isn't it? Seems to be. It seems to be karate fighting,
Right.
isn't it? How do you feel? How do you feel about the picture? It is also written here. What is written here? Wit and humor.
Wit and humor.
Wit and humor, isn't it? When you
Yes, sir.
observe the picture, both cats are ready to fight. It is like a humor. Generally, human, we are fighting, isn't it? Sometimes we are quarreling and fighting. There is a difference between quarreling and fighting. In cinema also, in film, you come across, there are several fighting scenes, isn't it? They are tremendous fightings, killing each other, murders, everything. Very, very violent scenes you come across. Here it seems they are ready to fight with each other, isn't it? It is like a humor. What is a humor? What is a humor? It is a nothing but a comedy.
Comedy.
It is nothing but a comedy. In films also, you come across so many comedy scenes. There are comedians. Each and every cinema has a comedians, isn't it? In olden days, Allu Ramalingaya, Ralengi, isn't it? Rajababu, Padmanabham, they are comedians.
Brahmanandam.
Now, at present, we come across Ali, Brahmanandam, and Sudhakar.
Udivel. Udivel, sir.
Yes.
Udivel.
You know about them because you are watching films frequently, isn't it? So it is one kind of comedy. Wit and humor we say. What is a wit and humor? Wit also same meaning. Wit, which makes us to laugh. When you see the picture, you get laugh, isn't it? అవునా కాదు ఈ బొమ్మను చూస్తే తమాషాగా ఉంది కదా అవునా కాదా yes it's not possible taking a stick and ready to fight like a karate. Huh? Understand? And then you see one more picture you see.
Yes, sir.
Here what do you observe again? Here
The cats are playing chess, sir.
yes, the two cats are sitting on the opposite direction. On the opposite direction, they are sitting and playing a game. What is that game?
Chess.
Chess. Yes.
Chess, sir.
Is playing chess. Is it a humor or not? Is it a fun or not? Do they play in real life? Do they play chess?
Yes, sir.
Do they play? Yes. How? పిల్లులు ఏడన్నా కూర్చొని చెస్ ఆడుతున్నారా? ఎస్ అంటున్నారు కదా ఆడదు. They won't play. When you come to Telugu literature, Paravastu Chennai stories, there are only animals and birds, isn't it? In our class also you learned that the duck is speaking and the kangaroo in turn also speaking with each other, isn't it? It took to the Jelly Boli, the touring places, visiting places, beautiful places, isn't it? It is only imaginary. Here also the situation, they are playing, they are ready to play. Both the cats, the game, chess game. It is not possible, but it is only a humor. You see another picture. One more picture also is there. Now you see again here. Here, what do you see in the picture?
Cat and rat, sir. Rat is firing.
This picture also, you can see the cat. The cat is sitting, isn't it? And opposite side, who is there? Imagine. Think.
Rat, sir.
Rat. So, what is the rat holding? What is
Gun.
Gun. Deepavali is coming very near next month, isn't it? We are very fond of using crackers, isn't it? Is it called
Yes, sir.
is it a pistol or a gun? G-U-N, gun. Pistol. It is a weapon. So, if I show you gun against you, how do you feel? You feel afraid, isn't it? It is quite common.
We want to fire it, sir.
If a thief is running, the police will take a gun and
Fire them.
threaten him. I will shoot if you do not stop. If you run, I will shoot, like that, isn't it? But here, you see, it is a comedy, isn't it? It is a fun. It is a humor. How it is possible? The rat is taking a gun and giving a threat, warning to the rat. I will shoot. I am going to shoot you. It is giving warning. So these are not possible, but it is only a comedy, isn't it? Comedy is nothing but a humor. It is a humor. Now we have a lesson about humor. What is the name of the lesson? Humor. The first reading is humor. In this unit, you have a reading section about the snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror is the lesson. Now we are going to read. Okay. All of you listen carefully. Before going to read the lesson, I would like to ask you, discuss with a few questions. Okay, now listen carefully. Here is one passage for you. One passage for you before this unit. I am going to read the passage. Please listen carefully. It develops your listening and hearing skill. So the reader is having very good passages for you to listen. All of you, please listen to my reading. I will read out first. Master of the game. Master of the game is the passage. An old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the nuisance of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. One evening, when the boys were particularly noisy, he went out to talk to them. He explained that he was a prisoner who was happiest when he could see or hear boys playing his favorite game, cricket. He said he would give them rupees 20 each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. At the end of the first week, they knocked at the door at the old man's house and asked to be paid. He did so. The second week, when they asked for payment, he said he had run out of money and sent them away with only rupees 15. The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and gave them rupees only 10. The boys very disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them rupees 25 as he had promised, but would give them rupees each without fail. This was too much for the boys. You expect us to play 7 days a week for a merely rupees 5 the ale. Go to blazes. They stormed away and never played on the street again. This was the passage that you have in the first unit. Now you listened one time to my reading. You have again, I will read out the same passage. I think you all are having your reading. Yesterday also, we supplied you the textbooks, notebooks, along with the uniform and other belongings. Okay. So now, if you have readers with you, please see the page number 131. Anil, where are you? Anil, come on, unmute. Anil, unmute చేయి. ఉన్నాడు అప్పుడే. అనిల్ లేడు, అప్పుడే ఉన్నాడు. ఎందుకంటే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు? సరే విని తీయండి. గుణశేఖర్ గుణ, you unmute.
Gunashekar, unmute chesko.
Gunashekar, unmute and respond me. Yesterday your father came Yesterday your father came. I gave books regarding your class. Now you have to respond to my questions. So please see the page number 130. There is a listening passage for you. Please look at once. I will ask you questions. I will discuss the questions with you. Please be aware. Be careful. Okay. Now you should do two things. You must listen or hear the story that I am reading. And again, you have to look into the reader. You have to look into the reader and listen. Two things you have to do. Okay. Master of the game. An old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the nuisance of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. One evening, when the boys were particularly noisy, he went out to talk to them. He explained that he was a pensioner who was the happiest when he could see or hear boys playing his favorite game, cricket. He said he would give them rupees 25 each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. At the end of the first week, they knocked at the old man's house and asked to be paid. He did so. The second week, when they asked for payment, he said he had run out of money and sent them away with only rupees 15. The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and gave them only rupees 10. The boys were very disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them rupees 25 as he had promised, but would give them rupees each 5 without fail. This was too much for the boys. You expect us to play 7 days a week for a measly rupees 5, they replied. They yelled, go to blazes. They stormed away and never played on the street again. It is a funny story. At last, we conclude that the story is a very funny. How? If you understand the story and listen to my reading carefully, you could understand that the story is very fun. What is the fun? Just you learn from me the meaning, humor. This is a comedy. The story is also a comedy in which the master sent all the boys from the nuisance. So now, one time you read without readers, and second time you listened to my reading, and you also probably watching the story, the page number 131. So now we will go for some questions. Where was the old man staying? Where was the old man living? The old man
Mumbai.
in Mumbai, very good. He was living in Mumbai, isn't it? So what game do the boys playing? What
Cricket, sir.
cricket. The boys are playing cricket. At what time? At what time they are playing cricket?
Night time, sir.
Very good, very good.
Night time.
It is the night time. They are playing cricket, and the old man was living in the street of Mumbai, and it was night time. Is it a nuisance to the old man or happy?
Happy, sir.
Was the old man happy? No.
Nuisance, sir.
Playing in the night time, cricket is a nuisance. What is a nuisance? Some disturbance. It is not good. It is giving some trouble. The old man is sleeping in the streets of Mumbai in his house where he was living. Especially when the boys are playing cricket, that too in the night time, it is giving a lot of nuisance, isn't it? So, when the boys particularly making noise, and sorry, 1 minute. One more question. What was the job of that old man? What was the old man in the house of
Pensioner.
Mumbai doing? Yeah? He was a
Pensioner.
pensioner. Was a
Pensioner.
pensioner. What is the meaning of pensioner? He was a retired person. He was not working at present. Was he working in any office? No, he was not working. He was a pensioner, means he was retired. He was retired from his job. He is not doing any job. He was in his house. He was resting due to his old age. He was drawing pension. Only pension he is getting. So what did he offer the boys? How much money? How much money for
25 rupees.
25 rupees?
25 rupees.
He offered 25 rupees to the boys for the first week. When the boys came, he gave how much amount? 25 rupees. When he could see or hear boys playing his favorite game, cricket. What was his favorite game? Cricket. Cricket was
Cricket.
playing by the students. So he told that he would offer 25 rupees for every week when they play in the street. So how the boys felt? How the boys,
Thrilled.
they felt happy, thrilled. Thrilled means happy. They felt happy for 25 rupees for a week. If they play in the street during the night time, they will get 25 rupees. So they are being paid to do, and they are enjoying. So at the end of the first week, what did the boys do? They went to the old man's house and knocked it down. Knock it down means just patting like this. Just knocking down the door. They went to the old man's house and demanded the money. How much money?
25 rupees.
25. So did the man give? Did the old man give? Did the old man give rupees 25? Yes. He gave 25 rupees for as his promise. As his promise, he gave 25 rupees. The second week, again, they were playing and they went to the old man. And how much he gave in the second week? The old man.
15 rupees.
Very good.
15 rupees.
15 rupees. Now there is a difference. In the first week, he gave 25 rupees. And at the end,
Second week.
he gave 15 rupees only.
15
So what is the margin? 10 rupees he deducted. He deducted 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
And they are playing, the students, that is the boys as usual. And again they went to the old man and asked, how did he give? How much?
10.
How much did he
10
give?
rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
In the third week, he gave rupees 10 only. When the old man gave rupees 10, the boys were disappointed. They are not happy because why? The first week he got 25 rupees, second week 15 rupees, and the third week
Third,
they got 10
10 rupees.
rupees. Week by week, every week, he deducted 10 rupees of amount, less amount he offered. So that all the boys are very, very disappointed.
Disappointed.
The fourth week, the man said, the old man, he could not give much more money because I am a pensioner. I won't give 25 rupees, but I will give only how much? In the fourth week,
5 rupees.
5 rupees. In the last week, the fourth week, I will give 5 rupees only. So this was too much for the boys. The boys felt now too much disappointed. So you expect us to play 7 days a week for measly rupees 5 the yield. Go to blazes, the man said. Huh? So now I will give you only 5 rupees. If you continue and play, I will give 5 rupees, not more than that. The students disappointed and they stormed away and never played on the street. So it is a fun, isn't it? What is fun here? The man is feeling nuisance from the students, from the boys, especially playing in the streets during the night times. If the old man cautioned them not to play, or if he warned the boys not to play in the streets, do they listen? They won't listen. In the beginning, the old man offered some amount. What is that amount? 25 rupees.
25.
25 rupees.
Reduced to 10 rupees. And he gave 15 rupees and 10 rupees and 5 rupees. Isn't it? Students, that is the boys in the streets are disappointed and they are not much into
And they're not,
so that they totally left the street, and they are not willing to play the cricket. Themselves, they left from the playing cricket. The old man also now relieved, relaxed from the nuisance. In this way, he felt happy. This was the moral of the story. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్, అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఒకసారి పిల్లల్ని ఆడొద్దంటారా ఇంటి ముందర, నాకు న్యూసెన్స్ గా ఉంది, నేను నిద్రపోవాలి, నేను రిటైర్డ్ పర్సన్ ని అని చెప్తే పిల్లలు ఒప్పుకుంటారా? ఆడుకోకుండా ఉంటారా? ఉండరు కదా. వాళ్ళు ఆడుకుంటూనే ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి ఏం చెప్పాడు? మీరు ఆడుకుంటూ ఉంటే నేను 25 రూపాయలు ఇస్తాను మొదటి వారం అని చెప్పి అన్నాడు. సరే, రెండో వారం తగ్గించేశాడు, 10 రూపాయలు తగ్గించాడు, 15 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చాడు. అండ్ సో ఆన్ at last he gave only 5 rupees. Students were disappointed, not happy with the amount. వాళ్ళు అక్కడి నుంచి 5 రూపాయలకి మేము ఎందుకు ఆడాలి ఇక్కడ అని చెప్పేసి మానేసి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. దాని ద్వారా ఆ రిటైర్డ్ పర్సన్ పెన్షనర్ హ్యాపీగా రాత్రుల్లో నిద్రపోతూ ఉన్నాడు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్యాసేజ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ లిజనింగ్. కాబట్టి మీకు ఐ గేవ్ ద స్టోరీ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. I used mother tongue Telugu also because you can understand, isn't it? From next class onwards, we have to discuss with only English language because you are coming to higher classes now, isn't it? You are not 6th or 7th. Now you came to 9th class. Okay. Now in this unit, the humor, you have the reading section A, the snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. Now I will show you one picture. Please look at the picture. Yes, humor. All of you, please look at the picture and think for few minutes. Okay. Just a few minutes, you think about the picture. 2 minutes. Yes, yes. Now coming to the class. Welcome back. After you were thinking and observing the picture, look at the picture and answer the questions. First of all, what do you see in the picture? An animal.
Lion.
An animal.
Animal.
Lion and
Is it a bird or animal? Is it a bird or animal?
animal, sir.
Animal. Which
Animal, sir.
Animal.
Which animal?
Lion.
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 Lion is a what type of animal? A fearful animal. A furious.
Wild animal. Wild animal, sir.
It is a wild animal. It is a furious, isn't it? Everyone should afraid of seeing the lion, isn't it? It is the king of the forest also. It is the king of the forest also. Yes, there is a lion. And what else you see? What else you see? What else?
Water.
There is a water. Where is the water?
No.
Is it a pool of water or
Well, sir.
very good. It is a well. There is a well. There is a well. Yes, very good. Now you see the lion and the well. Is the water in it? Yes, the well is filled with the water. And what do you see? What do you see?
His beauty.
There are fields in and around the well. There are fields, green fields, isn't it? Trees also you come across behind the lion, very far off, isn't it? Now, what is the lion doing? Small questions in 5th class and 4th class. Gunasekar, Govindu, Karthik, come on, Tarun. What is the lion doing? Is it eating?
Seeing beauty.
Just to see the picture and say, the lion is looking into the water. It is very near to the well, almost all near to the well. And the lion is looking into
Enjoy beauty, sir.
the water, isn't it? So please listen carefully out of the picture. Just 2 నిమిషాలు వినండి. మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు కథ విని ఉంటారు. The lion and the jackal, or the lion and the rabbit, maybe. The lion is hunting and killing every animal in the forest, isn't it? It is a routine. It is a routine by one animal every day. Individually, the animal should go to the lion, and the lion must kill and eat the other animal for its prey, for its food, isn't it? The jackal one day planned a planning and thought of a plan. According to the plan, the jackal took the lion to the water like this, to the well, and shown its own reflection and said, there is another lion. The lion thought there was another lion, and it injected, there is another lion than you. It is the king of the forest. In this way, the cunning jackal planned, isn't it? So that the lion became angry and jumped at once into the well. So what happened? ఏం జరిగింది? ఏమైనప్పుడు the lion jumped into the well and the lion dead. So that the jackal escaped. As you know from the stories in Telugu, from your readers, supplementaries, from your grandparents, you might have listened to the stories about the animals. The animal jackal is very, very cunning, isn't it? So in this way, the lion is looking into the water, into the pool of water. So now here, first question you see, what did the lion do on looking its own reflection? Reflection. What is a reflection?
Felt
When
angry.
you go and stand before the mirror, what you see? You see your